We are over at American Farms Mission. We're working in the fountain area, cleaning up the patio stones. Stuff I am using is a mixture of 2 cups of bleach, 1 gallon of water, and a little bit of Dawn, not much. Dawn just helps cut down grease and grime. Um, with the bleach, I recommend using chlorine. It's a lot stronger, more concentrated. You just gotta be careful with it because it can hurt the plant. And I like to use a spray bottle, like a pump sprayer. It gives you a little more control over it. Um, like you let it soak for a good 2 to 5 minutes. It really eats into it, makes it nice and you see right here, it makes it a little more colorful. You can actually see the concrete. I used a I used 2 different tips here. I used a turbo to just really clean up on it. And I used the second one to push it into the middle because it's not really draining well. I had to use a vacuum, um, a wet pack. There's a special filter on them, but you should not use just a regular filter. That stuff gets messy. It breaks down too quickly. It's pretty much foam. That's all it is. Um, the turbojet's running on 2000 psi. It's a little good machine. Did its job. I sucked up all that dirt that was in the middle. That stuff can get slippery. I have slipped many times while doing this. So wear some good shoes. Whenever you're using a pressure washer, you don't want to use like a pretty cheap hose. You want to have a nice sturdy one. Especially like it will collapse and won't get enough flow. It will make the machine struggle. So at least ½ inch to 3/4 hose be a good. The one I'm using is ½ inch. It did a pretty good job. Around the raised beds, whenever you do these kind of stuff, it's best to put concrete around them or put like a little patio stone to stick in there if there's a lot of dirt showing between it doesn't accumulate as much as dirt and it's easier to clean those beds without spreading dirt everywhere. And make it a little nicer looking, but eh, and that's easier to clean up in the future. The pressure washer has a tank on it where you can put stuff in it. I don't really use them because it's difficult to measure how much chemical you have in there. And it's just a small tank. That's just better if you go get a gallon or 2 gallon, mix it up in there, and you just put it down. It uses less water for a pump sprayer. The one that's on the machine has like it uses a lot of water and just very difficult to handle. You can even see there's that filter, that foam filter on that pot. Kind of struggled here at this end between how much dirt it just built up on the edge. Trying to get it with the vacuum was a little difficult. I tried to push all that dirt over the hill, but I just used the vacuum to clean it. Came out pretty good after the vacuum thing sucked up all that stuff. Alright, that's pretty much it.